Hi guys, welcome back to channel. We know that this is MCQ series part 3 in which we will discuss MCQ related to kinetic and thermodynamic control of reaction. So, let's start the video. First one, a reaction yielding more than one isomeric product if form unstable product as a major one, then reaction is said A. Wittig reaction. B. Thermodynamically controlled reaction. C. Diel-Alder reaction. D. Kinetically controlled reaction. So this is statement of kinetically controlled reaction. So option D is correct. Second, in kinetic and thermodynamic controlled reaction, distribution of product plays depend upon A. Temperature. B. Reaction time. C. Nature of substrate, and D. All above. So option D is correct, which is all above. 3. In sulfonation of naphthalene at dash dash is kinetical controlled reaction. A 40 degree, B 60 degree, C 80 degree, and D 160 degree. So we know in sulfonation of naphthalene at 80 degree is kinetical controlled reaction. So reaction involve unstable is major one, and at 160 degree it's thermodynamically controlled reaction since the stable product is major one. Here option C is correct, which is 80 degree centigrade. 4. In sulfonation of naphthalene, the distribution of product dash dash plays an important role. A. Temperature. B. Reaction time. C. Nature of substrate. D. All above. Before we discuss that sulfonation of naphthalene at 80 degree is kinetically controlled reaction, means sulfonation of naphthalene is temperature dependent. So temperature plays an important role in sulfonation of naphthalene. So option A is correct. 5. Product of Wittig reaction is A. Stabilized ylide. B. Non-stabilized ylide. C. Exo and endo, and D. Both A and B. So product of Wittig reactions are stabilized ylide and non-stabilized ylide. So option D is correct, which is both A and B. In sulfonation of naphthalene, rhenium ion present as dash dash, which is more stable due to delocalization of positive charge. Option A transition state, B intermediate, C product, and D none of these. We know that the in sulfonation of naphthalene, rhenium ion present as a transition state. So option A is correct. 7. Conversion of aldehyde and ketone into olefin using phosphorus ylide is called as dash dash reaction. A. Diels-Alder reaction. B. Enolization reaction. C. Benzylation of toluene, and D. Wittig reaction. You know that in a Diels-Alder reaction, 4n plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. Enolization reaction, in keto and enol tautomerism are takes place. Benzylation of toluene means Friedel-Crafts reaction. So option D is correct, which is Wittig reaction. 11. Diels-Alder reaction is dash dash reaction. A. Pericyclic reaction. B. Sigmatropic reaction. C. 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction, and D. None of these. Before we discuss that, Diels-Alder reaction is 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. So option C is correct. 12. In Friedel-Crafts reaction, that is benzylation of toluene, is carried out by using dash dash catalyst. So Friedel-Crafts reaction is carried out using GaBr3, which is A. So A option is correct. 13. In benzylation of toluene, distribution of product depend upon A. Time, B. Temperature, C. Nature of substrate, and D. None of these. So, in benzylation of product depend upon time. So, option A is correct, which is time. 14. The tautomerism equilibrium between keto and enol form is termed as A. Diels-Alder reaction, B. Enolization reaction, C. Friedel-Crafts reaction, and D. Wittig reaction. Before we discuss that, tautomerism equilibrium between keto and enol form is termed as enolization reaction. So B is correct. 15th, in C double bond C as a NGP means neighboring group participant. If stability of carbocation is dash dash, then NGP can. There are 4 options. This is statement of NGP, C double bond C assistant, in which if stability of carbocation is increased, then NGP can reduce. So option C is correct. If you have any doubt about that, then you can mention it in comment box. Thank you for watching this video.